Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today, we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on October 23, 2025, just yesterday. The standout result is a video reasoning model that grounds its answers in time and space, lifting MAM by 14.4% and MLGM by 24.2% over a QN 2.5 VL baseline. The paper is titled Open-o3 Video, Grounded Video Reasoning with Explicit Spatio-Temporal Evidence. And as we will see, the gains are both accurate and verifiable. In short, a single non-agent model outputs answers, plus timestamps, objects, and boxes, trained with curated data and reinforcement learning to improve reliability across several benchmarks. Alright, Figure 1 contrasts text-only video rationales with grounded reasoning that points to when and where evidence appears. The right panels show answers accompanied by object labels, bounding boxes, and timestamps, which make the claim checkable. This spatio-temporal grounding means the model cites frames and regions that support its conclusion, so the explanation becomes verifiable rather than narrative. So Figure 1 showed that grounded answers are verifiable. Figure 2 shows how the team built the spatio-temporal training data, which flows from initial annotation with Gemini 2.5 Pro to box filtering and self-consistency checking, a step that cross-checks that the reasoning, frames, and objects agree. The left pipeline yields 5.9 thousand unified samples. The right pie chart summarized balanced splits for supervised fine-tuning and reinforcement learning. Okay, Figure 3 pulls the data story into training, showing a two-stage recipe that first learns structured grounded outputs, then sharpens them with reinforcement learning. The left panel illustrates cold start fine-tuning that teaches the model to omit answers with timestamps and boxes. The right panel depicts reinforcement learning rewards for answer accuracy, timing, and spatial overlap. Temporal gating means spatial overlap counts only when times match closely, and adaptive temporal proximity softens time penalties early. Table 1 reports that the grounded model leads the versus star benchmark. It reaches 61% accuracy on what questions. Temporal and spatial localization improve across both reasoning chains, which matters because the system must say when and where evidence appears, not just what. The combined score MAM rises by 14%. The tougher MLGM climbs by 24%, surpassing GPT-4o and Gemini 2 Flash. Alright, two takeaways stand out. Grounding answers with timestamps, objects, and boxes makes video reasoning verifiable, and the cold start fine-tuning plus reinforcement learning recipe lifts both accuracy and localization by large margins. The broader implication is trustworthy video assistance that can justify claims and support confidence-aware deployment. That is it for the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.